Hello, it's Marie. I am so glad you are here. Today's video is part of a minis challenge hosted by Corie from CraftedByCorie. You can view her video and channel as well as the playlist for the other creators for this fun mini challenge. Please be sure to check out the description box below. So let's get started. Items needed are this small decor piece from the Dollar Tree, a wood chick, a wood rectangle piece, a small piece of green foam, some white, yellow, and orange paint, scrapbook paper, a twig, some greenery, and lastly this braided decorative trim. The first thing to do is push the backing out of the frame, and then we're going to paint. Next, trace your backing onto your scrapbook paper. You can use a glue stick to secure this on. This foam piece is 3.5 inches and it fits perfectly inside here. For the swing, cut your braided trim about 2.5 inches each. Next, use some hot glue to secure this on the wood piece. Next, carefully hot glue your greenery onto your twig. And this is the side we're going to display. Next, glue the chick onto the swing, and then we're going to hot glue this right onto the branch. Okay, let's put this all together now and come back with the final reveal. Here it is, the final reveal. I added some mini eggs, and I think this came out so adorable. I really like how this came out, and I hope you like it too. On to DIY number 2. You'll need this Dollar Tree decor sign again, mini flowers in a pot, and these crafter square stickers. Push through and remove the backing from the frame. Next, you're going to remove the roses. Next, I'm going to cut right above this little notch here. I'm going to trim this part off. Next, bend the shutters. And then we're going to trim this to the size of the backing. So this is what we're getting so far. I added the roses to the frame, so let's continue. Now I'm going to mix some orange and brown paint to obtain a terracotta color for the flower pot. I also added a little bit of red. So this is a color that I came up with, and I think it's looking really cute. This is how the flowers look in the little pot. I think this is adorable, and I'll come back with the final reveal. Here it is, all completed. I added some little birds and a butterfly sticker. I love how this windowsill in the springtime project came out, and I hope you like it too. On to DIY number 3. You'll need a small 3-ounce Dixie cup, this lace ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and these assorted ribbons from Hobby Lobby. Next, we're going to use this ribbon and wrap it around the cup. Next, get your 1/4 inch pink ribbon, and we're going to wrap this in the middle of the basket. We're going to decorate our basket, and we're going to fold over the top half. You need about 5 inches of this trim to make the handle of the basket, and I'll come back with the final reveal. Here it is, the final reveal. I added some little flowers to the pink trim, and I think this is so delicate and so adorable. I love this little Easter basket and I hope you like it too. For DIY number 4, the items needed are this cute little mesh box from Michaels, 2 tumbling tower blocks, a craft stick, some green foam, this bird feeder pack from the Dollar Tree, 2 little chicks, and some decorative shred or maybe some Spanish moss. You'll also need a glue gun, and I got this wood pile pack from Hobby Lobby. I just need 2 of those rectangles in there for the doors. Okay, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is remove all the hinges, and this is going to serve as a dual purpose because I'm going to use this part for my next DIY. Out of this bird feeder pack, look for these 2 pieces. Now I'm going to work on the little ramp. It needs to be about 3 inches. I've already marked it here, so I'm going to go in with my miter shears and trim that off. And then you can sand this down. Next, cut your craft stick into 5 little pieces and attach it to the ramp as I've shown here. Now I'm going to trace the base onto the back of the foam sheet. Also, we need to trace around the blocks. You can decorate this first before attaching to the blocks, but I'll make that my last step. Okay, now I'm going to just put some glue here and then we're going to attach the doors. I've secured everything with hot glue and I'll come back with the final reveal. Here it is, the final reveal. I think this came out so adorable. Last minute I decided to paint this with some antique wax by Waverly and I really like how this came out and I hope you like it too. Okay, on to DIY number 5. Items needed are this Dollar Tree palette, the box for my last DIY, some ribbon, a chalkboard tag, carrots, antique wax, a glue gun, and some Spanish moss. Okay, the first thing to do is to paint these both using antique wax with a baby white. You can use hot glue or some wood glue to attach the little box to the palette. Next, you can write on this using a Crafter Square metallic marker. Next, add in the Spanish moss and the carrots. Now we're going to make a bow with this really cute ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I'll put everything together and I'll come back with the final reveal. Here it is all completed. I think this came out so cute with the little bow up at the front, and I added a felt bunny sticker from the Dollar Tree to cover up the hole that was in the chalkboard tag. I really like how this came out and I hope you like it too. Well, here they all are. I had so much fun creating these. Please let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. I'm curious to know. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you here. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!